I've owned this home for 6.5 years. It's been a labor of love from the time I moved in, still doing a whole bunch of projects in there. But progress is kind of stalled. I was injured at work 3 years ago. Right after I got injured, I was laid off because of the injury. So because of workers' comp and all that, I've been living on 62% of my income. So progress is just stalled. So I haven't been able to do much because it was my dominant hand that was injured. Things are just kind of slowly progressing along, but not like I want them to be.
She was having problem with a sewer smell inside of her bathroom and leading up into her house.
Yeah, the issue is the duct tape there. Yep.
As well as a hose bib that was piped underneath her deck that malfunctioned, and we went out there today and replaced the drain. As well as a new faucet on a sink and a Studer vent that had failed and was releasing sewer gas into her bathroom, and relocated her water line and hose bib to a more functional location on the side of the house.
Oh, this is exciting. It actually works. Look at that.
How does that feel?
It feels great. We haven't had outside water for 5 years.
Wow.
Yeah. So much better.
Yeah, a little better.
That I knew was the issue because every time you turn that on,
Oh.
you would get that.
I can't believe the duct tape didn't do it.
I know. I can't imagine what that would.
Weird.
With this project, I was able to get this outside spigot working that I haven't had working in 5 years, that I wasn't able to finance because it was such a huge expense. And now I can water my lawn, and I can wash my cars, and I can redo all of my garden that I've been waiting to do. And this just means so much to me. And I don't know how to express my gratitude and how grateful I am that I've been given this opportunity. And my mom's actually the one that entered me in the sweepstakes for this. And I can't express my gratitude to her for this, to do this for me, knowing how much I've struggled over the last several years with the injury and, you know, being a single mom and raising my son. It's been a struggle. And to be able to have this given back when, you know, working in healthcare for so long, you know, giving to people and having something given back to me for once is just, I'm so grateful. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, no problem. And shout out to Mama Bear.
Shout out to Mom.
Awesome.
Shout out to Mom.